Up for sale, 1973 Ford Mustang Convertible. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 73 Ford Mustang Convertible, finished in factory colors. 302 C4 automatic, power steering, power front disc brakes, power top, factory AC, deluxe Marti Report, and an all original metal California car. Of course, I'm going to go around it, tell everything I do know about it, point out anything I do see, fire it up, drive it, and get in for the driving. So we'll start here in the front as always. And yeah, it's more of a running, driving project. There's some great things about it. Again, all original metal. The underneath, really, really nice. I took some good pictures of it so everybody can see it. I did have a normal one, and this exact normal is in more of a ready-to-go one in this color combination. So I do like this. Chin spoiler in the front, and at some point they put the spoiler on the back. But it's not going to be too long of a video. We'll just go through it quickly here. Hood lines up really well. No cracks in any of the glass. It does have the glass window in the back. You can see here on this front bumper there's some chips and some things like that. Grill looks good and whatnot. A very minimal rust on the body, and actually not even that dented either. I know a lot of these cars over the years get dents, but like the little guy right there, for example. And the paint's super shiny, at least in the front half. I think some of it's original paint, some of it was blended over the years. But like at least here, that's the extent, but the bottom is mint. There's nothing down there. And again, you could see just looking at the quarter, other than that little ding, there's nothing else. Doors line up really nice to the quarter. A little bit of something here, a little bit of just stuff around where this thing is, the wheel molding. And I took pictures down low to show there's chips and nicks and whatnot, but solid, no rot. I do like the lower rocker molding. It's more surface here, it's not through, just to clarify. Do like the hubcaps. I do like the white wall, white letter radial tires as well. And I gotta say, it runs awesome. Drives really nice. Trans shifts good. Power steering shifts while the power top goes up and down. But here, let me pop the hood. The engine bay is all correct. It has the original carburetor with the tag on it still in place. I took a picture of that. I noticed, well, for one, how clean it is in here. It's got the original AC tag, original stampings on the fenders, both sides, which I do believe is original paint because the bolts are not painted over. In here hidden is the buck tag. I did take a picture of that, and that will be on the ad. And again, you can see the AC unit. Power steering is below it. It was ordered with California emissions because it was a California car. Brake booster, master cylinder for the power front disc brakes. And you can see here when you look at the valve cover, it's got like original stampings on there. You know, that looks like an original component. Again, I like to see the original air cleaner on it still. Still got that tag there. But let me fire it up. Underhood, original as you would expect. Again, no cracks. Windshield, no cracks here. It still has the original stickers in here, which I think is super cool. Exhaust emission control information, probably because it was a California car. It needs a top, obviously, but the back window, super nice. No cracks here. Key buzzer works when you open the door, and a safety belt. That one drives me nuts. Right here. Like I said, it won't be too long of a video. I'm keeping my eye on the timer here. See? For some reason, the wipers always go when you go to start it. Dome light works. Map light works. Nice little rumble coming out the back as well. Huh. Interesting. Okay. Anyway, you know, I would say definitely needs a driver door panel. Passenger's mint. But again, it's got the original tag in here. Metal in here is pristine. Same thing on the passenger side. But basically showed you everything on this side of the car. Yeah, I did, so I might as well show you the interior. You know, it's not torn carpet, but it's old carpet. Again, I would, you know, going forward, replace it. Seats have some tears, both sides. Common. Even the other one had it. Actually, everyone has had it in some form. Back seat. A little wrinkly, but not ripped. Door panels look good. Has the little console. Again, some really nice things to point out, like how nice the green is here on the dash. Kick panels look really nice. Steering wheel, mint. The odometer shows 89,000 miles. I would definitely believe that to be original. And then just, you know, left over the years. Column shows its typical wear here from the key dangling, but all the green's nice. The black for the gauge cluster, I mean, I wouldn't even touch those. Zoom out. A couple cracks in the pad, but overall, in nice shape. Glove box, door, this side look really nice. Center looks really nice as well. So again, no cracks in here. And we'll do the paperwork real quick. The manual, I do the original manual, or unoriginal manual. He did have some work done a few years ago. Spark plugs, cap and rotor, fuel filter, which is nice, probably why it runs so well. Spent $400 for that. Oh, there's two in there. And then this one, spent $766. Oil change, filter, labor, clean differential, pinion seal, front shock, I think. Remove rods, align, towing. You know, just good maintenance stuff, because his idea was he was going to turn it into a drag car, which I'm so happy he didn't. And here's the Marti Report. Sold new, was in a Los Angeles DSO. Sold new at Jim Snow, Ford Inc. in Paramount, California. Correct color combination, like I said. White power top with glass backlight. California emission systems. Would have had white wall tires, convenience group, power steering, bumper rub strips, air conditioner, AM radio, interval windshield wipers, control keyed racing mirrors. Look the same to me. Tint glass complete, wheel covers. It's just cool to have, of course. Same tag that's in the door jamb. do like the spoiler. Trunk lid's a little out of alignment. Again, if you're redoing it, it's gonna fit itself back up in the long run. But it lines up nice here. You know, pitting in the bumper. Wear on the lower valance. You can see the little dent over there. Just a couple holes right in here. And then again, before I even show you, matching the driver side, the passenger side is a little bit down in here. So again, same deal. You know, I know when they redo cars, they full quarters, half quarters, partial, both sides, probably right on that line. Trunk pan, original. Good shape. There are 2 pinholes, 3 pinholes. One here, a couple right by that little plastic piece, and then a couple little guys right there. And I think a couple other little guys because water sits in there, but overall solid. I mean, when you look at this paint in here, that's original 1973 spatter paint, which I do enjoy seeing. Weather tripping's in good shape. Original paint in here again. Maybe it is going to be a longer video. Original paint in here. Original jacking instructions. The spoiler kind of wobbles a bit. But again, dent-wise, let's just take a peek here. Again, really nice fitment. Not really, just a little guy right on top of that fender. You could see when I move back and forth. But overall, nice. More surface on this side. You can see a little hole right in the bottom there, right behind there, but not on top of that. No bubbles in the doors, no rot in the doors. This lines up nice as well. And again, nothing up and over here, just over in that quarter. Again, really nice in here. You can see this is original paint because it's not painted over. Nice in here again. But it will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you'd like to check it out. Original California car, all original metal. 73 Mustang Convertible, running, driving, braking, power topping project. Here, take a peek. When you look down the side, body is really straight, really straight. But yeah, thank you for watching, and here we go. Gotta hold the window up for it to go down. Okay, yeah, that's good. It's just nice that it goes up and down. This is you. This is you.
Sorry?
This is you.
Yeah, this is what I turned into.
Salvage. Oh, I was surprised how nice it drives, actually.
Thinking of taking it to me. Oh, I don't want a convertible.
You know how funny that'd be?
Quiet.
Yeah. Other than the key buzzer. Big man. Uh-huh.
Funny if it was our house. Where does he live? Bloomingdale.